Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting the camera you will control. First, pick the main camera or create a new camera game object so you don't disturb existing setup. Next, set projection to perspective for 3D or orthographic for 2D, then change field of view or size to taste. Once positioned roughly, modify the camera transform rotation and position to frame the subject precisely. Make small increments and use scene view navigation to verify from multiple angles. Once the basic camera is set, add smoothing and smarter aiming. Install Cinemachine and create a virtual camera to separate logic from the main camera. Use Composer for framing and Transposer for following. To change angles at runtime, animate virtual camera priority or use timeline clips. Alternatively, write a script that interpolates rotation with quaternion. Slurp and position with Vector 3. Lerp for smooth motion. Make sure damping values are tuned so the camera feels responsive without snapping. Adjust until movement matches gameplay intent. You're ready to finalize changes. Enter play mode and exercise camera transitions and angle changes repeatedly. Confirm Cinemachine blends, field of view shifts, and occlusion handling behave as expected. If the view is wrong, verify camera depth and culling mask aren't hiding layers, and ensure clipping planes cover your scene distances. One key troubleshooting tip. A black or blank view often means another active camera with higher depth or duplicate audio listener. Disable extras and retest. If jitter appears, enable interpolation on targets or tweak the fixed time step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.